Well, I don't think we're here for romance, so.
Speak for yourself.
Haven't you had enough action for one day?
No, never. No, I think I pulled a muscle boarding that FFE. I was just trying to stretch it out.
Oh, no, I know what you're doing. Trying to drive me crazy.
Is it working?
No. It's having absolutely no effect whatsoever.
Ah, right. Well, I guess I'm safe just to keep doing it then.
Just don't blame me if I can't think about anything else.
I won't blame you, but others might.
We were just discussing the situation with the fisheries. Thank you, Leader.
Ma'am,